Hi, I'm Mauricio, founder and lead engineer of IDW Innovation Studio. We only take on projects we're fully confident we can deliver technically. We're based in Mexico, which lets us offer US-level engineering with near-shore speed, industrial design, electronics, packaging, render animation, and prototyping all under one roof. Some of the products we've helped develop have launched successfully on Kickstarter, like True, and others are already selling in the market, like Flora. So we're very familiar with what it takes to bring a physical product from idea to validation to real customers. Many founders come to us after spending money on iterations that didn't move their product forward. We design with manufacturability in mind from day one, so every step actually gets you closer to a production-ready device. And instead of coordinating multiple freelancers, you have the option to work with one integrated team, mechanical, electronics, material suppliers, all aligned. And if we see a conceptual decision that might create problems later, we'll question it early and help you optimize it. If your idea is viable, we'll help you build it the right way. If there are risks, we'll be honest from the start. If that's the kind of partnership you're looking for, we'd be happy to talk.